Good morning, everyone. Class 12, Subject Biology, Chapter 2, Sexual Reproduction in Flowering Plants. Let's begin. Megasporangium. Megasporangium, pistil megasporangium, and embryo sac. The gynoecium represent the female reproductive parts of the flower. The gynoeciums may consist of a single pistil, monocarpellary, and many have more than one pistil, multicarpellary. Multicarpellary. When there are more than one and pistils may be fused together, syncarpus may be free apocarpus. Each pistil has three parts: the stigma, style, and ovary. The stigma serves as a landing platform for pollen grains. The style is the elongated cylinder parts beneath the stigma. The basal bulge part of the pistil is the ovary. Inside the ovary is ovarian cavity locule. The placenta is located inside the ovarian cavity. The ovule is attached to placenta by the funicle. The junctions of ovule and the funicle is called helium. Show in this the figure. Helium, funicle, micropylar pole, outer inner integuments, in nucleus, embryo sac, and Charles pole. Each ovule has one or two protective layer called as integuments, यानी outer and inner. Two types layer is called protective layer is called integuments, which cover the rest of ovule except for a small opening called micropyle. ये जो small opening है, this is micropyle. Cells laying on the opposite side of micropyle ends represent the basal parts of the ovule. Nucleus is present within the integuments and contain reserve foods. The embryo sac, female gametophyte, is located within the nucleus. Show in this the figure. ये anatropous ovule है. The ovule is a small structure attached to the placenta by means of a stalk called funicle. देखिए इसमें funicle है. The body of ovule fuse with funicle in the region called helium. Helium represents the junction between ovule and funicle. Each ovule has two protective envelope called two protective layers called integument. Integument encircle the nucleus except at tips where a small opening called micropyle is organized. Opposite the micropylar end is the chalzal. देखिए chalzal pole है, represent the basal parts of the ovule. Nucleus. Enclosed within the integument is a mass of cells called the nucleus. Cells of the nucleus have abundant reserves. Food material located in the nucleus is the embryo sac or female gametophytes. An ovule generally has a single embryo sac formed from a megaspore. Megasporogenesis, the process of formations of megaspore from the megaspore mother cell is called megasporogenesis. Megasporogenesis large contain the dense cytoplasm and a prominent nucleus undergoes meiosis to produce 4 megaspores. Show in this the figure. First है outer layer micropylar end and nucleus, megaspores mother cells, megaspore mother cell, a large megaspore cell, nucleus, megaspore dyads and micropylar end, megaspore tetrad. ये देखिए megaspore tetrad. Chalcel and antipodals. Antipodals, polar nuclei, central cell, egg, synergid, filiform apparatus, mature embryo sac. A mature embryo sac 248 nucleate stage of embryo sac. Synergid जहाँ पे ये फ्यूज्ड हैं, एग, सेंट्रल सेल, टू पोलर न्यूक्लियाई, एंटीपोडल्स. नेक्स्ट, फीमेल gametophyte. In a majority of flowering plants, one of the megaspores is functional, while the other three degenerate. Only the functional megaspore developed into the female gametophyte embryo sac. This method of embryo sac formation from a single megaspore is termed monosporic development. B. The nucleus of the functional megaspore divides mitotically to form two nuclei which move to the opposite poles, forming the two nucleate embryo sac. Two more sequential mitotic nuclear division result in formation of the 4 nucleate and later the 8 nucleate stage of the embryo sac. Central cell. Central cell. Central cell. Central cell is 6 of the 8 nuclei are surrounded by cell wall and organized into cells. The remaining 2 nuclei called polar nuclei are situated below the egg apparatus in the large central cell. 3 cells grouped together at the micropylar end constitute the egg apparatus. Show egg apparatus, egg cell. Egg apparatus in turn consists of 2 synergid and 1 egg cell. Synergids and 1 egg cell, which play an important role in the guiding pollen tubes into the synergids. 3 cells are the chalcel end, chalcel end are called antipodal. Antipodals. The large central cell has 2 polar nuclei. A typical angiosperm embryo sac at maturity, though 8 nucleate is 7 celled. Each nucleate in 7 celled. Show in this the figure: antipodal, polar nuclei, central cell, egg, synergid and filiform. Thank you class. This exercise continue in next lecture. Thank you.